Hello everybody and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss how to set up loyalty and rewards on your Shopify store using our app's Zone customer accounts and return. So let's get started. To set up a loyalty program on Shopify, you have to navigate to the settings tab in our app and then make sure you enable the loyalty program feature. You can see I have enabled this feature. And if you haven't added the loyalty program block while setting up this app, you can click edit in front of the customer account editor and you simply have to add the loyalty program block to the customer account. After enabling this feature, you will see the loyalty program here. You can see these are the points, recent activity. The points are showing here, then how to earn and how to redeem. All the details will show here. Now let's move back to our app. Now to configure loyalty and reward points, you have to click on the loyalty program tab in our app, and from there you can define and add reward rules that best suit you. You can see I'm clicking on it. Zone provides several built-in reward rules like account creation, subscribe to newsletter, social media like and follow, birthday rewards, profile completion, first order bonus, and order completion. And you can choose to add any of these to your customer account and assign reward points to each program based on your preferences. Right now, I'm assigning points as per my preferences. For example, I'm enabling points for social media follows. Then I'm enabling birthday rewards, and let's suppose I'm providing 300 points for it. Then I am enabling profile completion rewards and I'm providing 100 points for it. Then I'm enabling first order bonus and providing 200 points for it. Then I'm enabling points for completing orders and providing 800 points. Zone app also provides a referral program enabling you to assign reward points for each referral based that aligns with your preference, and you can configure it as per your choices. Now you have to click on save. And now let's move to the redeem rules to configure the redemption rules, and you can configure them as per your preferences as well. But before adjusting them, make sure that store credits are enabled from the Shopify customer account section. Here I am assigning 50 points for one credit. Let's remove the 100 and add 50 and click on save. You can see I have assigned 50 points for one credit, and here additionally, you can enable an expiry date for store credits to determine whether they should expire after a certain period, and you can set this expiry period based on your preferences. After adjusting all these settings, you can verify the loyalty program feature by checking the customer account from the store's front end. So let's move to it. You can see this is the page I showed earlier and it's without any points. Now let's refresh it. I'm clicking on how to earn. You can see these are the points I assigned. So it means our app is set up correctly and the loyalty and rewards feature is working perfectly now. Now summing up, this video was all about setting up loyalty and rewards in Zone customer accounts and return app. I hope you have got the idea of setting them up by watching this video. Don't forget to share your feedback with us regarding this app, and thanks for watching this video.